If you want fresh, crunchy green beans on demand, this is your beginner-friendly blueprint. I'll walk you through timing, soil, watering, sun, containers versus backyard beds, and harvesting step by step. First, why grow green beans? They're cheap to start, super productive, packed with fiber and vitamins. You control how organic they are. Beans help your soil by partnering with nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Step 1. Pick your bean type. Bush beans. Compact, no trellis. Harvest in a big flush. Pole beans. Climb tall, need support, keep producing for weeks. Step 2. Plant at the right time. Plant after your last spring frost. Soil at least 60-65 degrees Fahrenheit. In warm regions, plant every 2-3 weeks until about 8 weeks before your first fall frost. Use a soil thermometer or wait until nights consistently stay above 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 3. Prep the soil. Well-drained, loamy soil with pH around 6.0-6.8. Mix in 1-2 inches of compost. Skip heavy fertilizer. Too much nitrogen means lots of leaves, fewer beans. Optional pro tip: dust seeds with bean inoculant for a yield boost. Step 4. Planting. Bush. Sow seeds 1 inch deep, 2-3 inches apart. Rows 18-24 inches apart or plant in a wide block. Pole. Place seeds 1 inch deep, 6-8 inches apart around a trellis. Water gently after planting. Step 5. Sun and water. Give them 6-8 hours of direct sun. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week, more in heat. Water in the morning at soil level. Mulch 2-3 inches to keep moisture even. Uneven watering =sign tough, stringy pods. Step 6. Supports and care. Install trellises at planting for pole beans. For nutrients, a light side dress of compost at flowering is plenty. Avoid high nitrogen fertilizers. Keep beds weeded the first few weeks. Container plan. Use a 2-3 gallon pot for bush beans, 5+ gallons for pole. Minimum 8-12 inches deep with drainage holes. Use high quality potting mix, not garden soil. Add a small trellis for pole beans. Container plants dry faster. Check soil daily in summer. Common issues: poor germination, soil was too cold, wait and reseed. Yellow leaves, overwatering or nutrient imbalance. Let it dry slightly and add compost. Flowers drop in heat. That's normal above about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep watering, they'll rebound. Pests like aphids or beetles. Blast with water, handpick, or use row covers until flowering. Harvesting. Bush beans are ready in about 50-60 days, pole beans 60-70. Pick when pods are firm, smooth, and about pencil thick before seeds bulge. Harvest every 1-2 days to keep plants producing. Don't yank, use 2 hands or snips. Store unwashed in the fridge for up to a week. Scaling up your success. Succession plant every 2-3 weeks for a longer season. Rotate beds yearly to avoid diseases. That's your checklist to confidence.